Hi folks, this is Andrew Charlene, licensed plumber. In this video I would like to talk to you about high efficiency combi unit gas boilers that do both heat and hot water. And in this particular installation our clients had atmospheric gas boilers, but they wanted to get those were the chimney vent boilers, but they wanted to get more efficient boilers for the long term. So we installed this top of the line Noble Lochinvar combi units. And because this house had all the cast iron radiators, we installed this mag filters. That's so that the boilers stay clean and last a long time. And we've also had to rerun lots of return pipes and tuck everything out of the way so our clients have more